Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to Aloe Yoga to try out the latest colorway, which is Pink Quartz. Now, Aloe has released a few pink colors lately, including ballet pink and a sweet pink, both of which we unboxed on the Fashion Try-On. So if you are interested in all of the pink colors, be sure to check those out. Now, I was less than enthused to see this colorway become available online, and I had really low expectations. So I feel like they had all of the opportunity to underpromise and overdeliver. Like I wasn't going in there with high expectations that were crushed. I was really going in with the bar set very low, and unfortunately it was kind of satisfied. So I am going to try on a bunch of these colors or items in this color, and you can see how it fits and looks on the body. We do have a tennis skirt, which is pleated. This is a new colorway, a new style. We have the Heartthrob set in the Aloe Soft. We have the Alumni short in this new color. We have the matching jacket and a few other items. Now, I will say that there are some positives with having tried on this color. There are some new styles which come in a few different colors and, new materials. So I don't think all is lost having tried these on. So do stay tuned. And if you do like this colorway, maybe just like a little caveat that like this color didn't work for me personally with my skin tone and my colorings and whatnot. I felt like I looked like a naked mole rat. That might not be the case for you. So if you do like this color, please, by all means, love it, enjoy it, and feel awesome in it. But it is not my preference. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first up, I tried on the Aloe Soft Heartthrob bra and leggings. Now, as I mentioned, not all was lost by trying on this colorway because I first and foremost have not tried on the Aloe Soft in the Heartthrob yet, and I was blown away. I really loved how this fit. If you have been watching the other unboxings and try-ons, you will know that I am not a huge fan of Heartthrob. I think it's unflattering and it feels really bad, but I did like it in the Aloe Soft, so I think it kind of just hugged the body a little bit better. Now, I tried it on with that pinstripe overshirt, which we're going to try on with the shorts a little bit later. But first up, I wanted to show you this cute little mini skirt. So I actually did kind of like the skirt, but I more so liked it for the cut. The color wasn't the absolute worst in this one, but overall I still decided to pass because I felt like I just looked a little sickly. Sorry. Now, I do kind of like the cut, but I tried on a size small and I felt like it was really kind of constricting. So I think I probably needed to even go up a size, or I don't know, maybe that's just how it fits and it just made me feel uncomfortable. Now, I also tried on this tank and I overall liked the fit of the tank. I liked the feel of the tank, but I didn't think it was too flattering, especially in the colorway and especially because it was kind of like damaged at the top. Now, I also tried on the Alumni shorts. This was in a size extra small and I was really thrown off that they were so big. Now, I usually do wear an extra small in Aloe shorts, but I felt like this sizing was pretty inconsistent. So I do think I would need to try an extra small in these shorts to make them actually fitted, which again, very strange for me. I also kind of figured that out lately with the Accolade shorts, that the extra small would fit like a jeans size 26. So if you are a 26, extra small fits kind of like how I'm wearing them. So just keep that in mind for a point of reference. Now, overall, I just didn't like these shorts. I think I've tried really hard to like the Alumni short or like the Alumni set. And here is the jacket. I just don't like it. I don't know what to say. They don't have it doesn't have pockets. The sleeves are really, really long. This pullover is in an extra small as well. And I just felt like I'm swimming in it, but the proportions are kind of off. So if you like this, let me know in the comments below. I originally tried it on a year earlier, and I thought that I did like it in the whites. So I was actually really surprised with how much I didn't like it in this color. So I'm not sure if it's just the color or what have you, but take it with a grain of salt. Alrighty, so last up I tried the pinstripe daylight button-down long sleeve and the matching shorts. Now, I felt like the color for this outfit was a little bit darker and it looked a little bit more like tan, if that makes sense. So this was my least hated of all of the items. I didn't like the shirt at all, but I do actually kind of like the shorts. But again, they're pretty large. So that is my review of Pink Quartz. I'm so sorry that I didn't enjoy it, but I feel like that is really helpful for you to know, at least, you know, if you do have some of my same preferences. And if you love it, go for it. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.